I faced a mountain that I'd never faced before. That's why I'm calling on you, Lord. I know it's been a while. Lord, please hear my prayer. I need you like I never have before. Sometimes it takes a mountain. Sometimes a troubled sea. It takes a desert. Sometimes it takes a desert. Get a hold of me. Your love is so much stronger than whatever troubles me. Sometimes, Lord, sometimes it takes a mountain to trust you and believe. Oh, forgive me, Jesus. I thought I could control whatever life throws my way. But this I will admit has brought me to my knees. I need you, Lord, and I'm not ashamed to say. A mountain. Sometimes a troubled sea. It takes a desert. Sometimes it takes a desert to get a hold of me, to get a hold of me. So much stronger than whatever troubles me. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes it takes a mountain to trust you, Jesus, to trust you and believe. Oh, say, trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all, through it all, I've learned. you.